Well guys, we just arrived in Kansas for the second weekend of the early zone opener. And we're at a field. It's a public Milo field. We hunted it last week. We actually scouted it on Friday and found a lot of geese and a lot of ducks in it. Got beat to it, so had to come in that afternoon and killed some. I'll put a picture of all those ducks here. That was a 7-man limit. And then the next day we come out here, all 7 of us, and killed a 7-man in an hour and a half. But I went and checked it. There's still water out there, and we're gonna go throw everything out. We got stakes for field decoys, and we're gonna try to build a little bit of blind because a lot of the cover's been knocked down. But we're gonna try to film a little bit more today. We hardly filmed any last week, but we're gonna head out there and get this stuff ready. We got about 5 or 6 minutes till shooting time out here in this old bomb we built. I'll show that later, but got tail buzzing everywhere, about hitting us in the head. So we want to shoot big ducks, so we're gonna try to shoot, but we may end up shooting till. You never know with this. So.
Yes, sir. I got him in a second.
Mallard great.
That was a mallard.
Got that on video.
Just leave it.
Cool, cool. Yeah, there you go, dude. Good shot. Heck yeah. 3 out front.
Kill those. We got all 3 of them. Somebody, we'll get that one. We'll get that one. Let's put that. Yeah. Oh, pintails?
No. Gaddies.
No, they're wedge. That's a wedge. I missed. Okay.
I hit that one and fucking got away.
I killed 2 of them. Why did you have to click that in? That was great right there.
Yeah, you're good. I got him.
I was gonna say, I'm gonna shoot the finish for y'all.
Yeah.
Damn, dude, he was really far.
Yeah, they were, but that one time they started locking us.
Those are wedge. Shoot him. I got 2.
We split on that one.
Oh, the first one?
It's 9:30 and we have 17 ducks. We need 1 more. Fisher shot its limit, and we need 1 more duck. We got some mallards, widgeons, pretty drakes, and teal, gadwalls, and 1 spoonie. So we'll show you a picture when we get done, but not really much fancy with the decoys. We just got this really shallow sheet water. Like, ducks are probably not even able to land all in the water. They have to stand up to land, but they're trickling in here. Just need 1 more, and there's a group up there, so let's see if we can get 1 more. Well, we had 4 mallards come in, and 3 of them set up high, and 1 drake dropped in, shot at him and hit him and missed him, or he got away, kept flying. But I guess it was a good thing, because when Brent went to look for some shells, he found a duck that we did not count under our bag, so we ended up with 3-man limit. And I'm gonna take this widgeon here and get him mounted. So, pretty bird. But 3-man limit took a little while, but we'd rather it be like that. They trickled in. Most of them were wanting to go down across the road. There's some flooded corn on private, but we would call them back to us, and it worked pretty good. But the water, like I said, is super shallow. Most ducks, when they were landing, they were hitting the water after we shot them, were just landing in mud. But we got 2 dozen or 2.5 dozen floaters, 2 lucky ducks, and then back here we have some mallards on stakes, and then up there we got a couple also. So we're gonna get out of here, probably come back here tomorrow. Figure we can probably do this again here, and that's a pretty good hunt. So I'll show you a picture of the ducks when we get out here.
kill that sprint. There you go. Work again. Go. I got one.
I didn't kill any of them.
I got one.
Way to go, dude.
I didn't kill any of them.
That was awesome.
Dude, that's gonna look so good. I got one.
I got that one right there, whatever that is.
Do you want to see where mine went back there?
No, I did not. It went right in.
I got this Drake right here. Dude, I got that Drake.
I don't know what happened. That's a
Holy
freak.
shit, go do that one! Fuck yeah, boy! Fuck yeah! Go get him! Hell yeah, boy! It's been kind of slow this morning, but the ducks we've shot have been a lot better quality than what we have been. We've knocked down 6 pintails. We lost 1, so we have 5, which is 1 away from our limit. And we have a teal and 2 widgeons, so it's going pretty good. There's not a whole lot of ducks flying, but we had the group of pintails, there was 2 of them that come in beforehand, and then our group of about 30 come in with some speckle bellies, and we laid into them. But we're gonna keep it up out here for a little while longer, see what else comes. Wait. Shoot him.
I got that one over there. That one that fell right there, I fucking molested him, so. Fuck with me.
Let's go.
You get any, Brent?
No, I whiffed on that one right here so bad.
I got that one, dude.